How to get better FPS on non-gaming laptops or computers. So first you want to open up the start menu and then search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And in this window you want to check adjust for best performance. This will basically make the appearance of Windows look worse, but just to improve the performance on your Windows. You can also check smooth edges of screen to make it look a little bit better. Then you can click on apply and OK to apply these settings. Next, you will need to right click on the start button again and open up the settings window. Then you want to go to the gaming category, and from here you want to go to the game mode and make sure the game mode is turned on. Next, you want to go back, and then you want to go to the system tab, and then make sure you select the display tab and scroll all the way down and click on graphics settings, and make sure to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling by checking this box here or turning it on. Next, you will need to basically select the game or the app that you're trying to optimize or get better FPS on. So if it's an app that is installed from the web or Steam or whatever, you can click on desktop app. If it's installed from Microsoft Store, you want to select Microsoft Store app. And then if you don't see the game here, you can click on the browse button and then just navigate to your game's exe file, double click on it and click on add to add it to this list. Then click on your game and then click on options and switch it from let Windows decide to high performance, and then including your high performance GPU. So in this case mine is nvidia. In laptops you might have two GPUs, the integrated one and the other one. You would basically need to use the other one, not the integrated GPU, and then click on save. Next, you can close this window and open up the start menu again. Search for power and sleep settings, click on it, and then click on additional power settings. And from here you want to check it or switch it to high performance. So yours might already be set at power saver or balanced. Try to switch it to high performance. Next, you will need to open up the task manager and then go to startup apps, and then go through this list one by one and disable the unnecessary applications that don't need to run when Windows starts. So most likely you will need to disable pretty much all of them except the ones that are required for mouse and audio drivers and stuff like that. Otherwise everything else is disabled. And then you can go to the processes tab or the details tab and then go through the processes and then simply end task for any process that you no longer need and it's running in the background and it's taking up most of the resources. So for example, you will find browser and other softwares that are running in the background and no longer needed. You will need to basically end them all or close them all. And the last thing is to basically make sure that you have always the latest GPU driver installed. So for nvidia, you will need to download and install nvidia app. Go to the drivers section and make sure to download the latest game ready driver and install it. And then you'll simply need to restart your computer and then just launch your game or your app again, and you should have better performance and FPS. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.